Understanding, stick a pin in it, a common English idiom. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, stick a pin in it. This idiom might sound a bit strange at first, but it's quite common in everyday English conversations. So, let's get started and unravel its meaning together. In this section, we'll delve into the origin of the phrase, stick a pin in it. Understanding where an idiom comes from can often help us grasp its meaning more clearly. This phrase has its roots in a very practical action, literally sticking a pin into something to mark a spot or remember a place. It's like using a physical bookmark. Over time, this literal action turned into a metaphorical expression in the English language. Now, let's break down the current meaning of stick a pin in it. In modern usage, this phrase is used to suggest pausing a discussion or an idea with the intention of coming back to it later. It's similar to saying, let's put this on hold for now. This idiom is often used in meetings or conversations when a topic needs to be postponed but not forgotten. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In a meeting, we're running out of time, so let's stick a pin in this topic and revisit it in our next meeting. 2. In a casual conversation, I'd love to continue discussing this movie, but I have to go now. Let's stick a pin in it and chat more tomorrow. Notice how in both examples, the phrase is used to pause the conversation with a clear intention to continue it later. Like many idioms, stick a pin in it has some variations. You might hear people say, put a pin in it. Let's pin this for later. These variations carry the same meaning and can be used interchangeably. And that's a wrap on the phrase, stick a pin in it. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting English idiom and that you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Remember, idioms like this add color and personality to your language skills. Keep practicing, and don't forget to stick a pin in any phrases or idioms you want to learn more about. See you in the next video.